Hello guys, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get Windows on your Mac for newer Mac versions, or for anyone who doesn't want to bootcamp their device. But for me, my bootcamp does not work. I'll show you that real quick. It'll say download could not continue after this, so I'm not gonna waste my time on that. So just want to download the mega I have a mega link I have the link in the description to download this. It's mega, so it's trusted, and there's this VMware Fusion Pro and Extended Edition DMG. So this is this lets you unlock the full version of the application without you paying. And you also need to download the newest ISO here. So this one, the newest one, you can download that by going to this place right over here, select edition, confirm, blah blah blah. So you want to click on confirm English, because I speak English and I read English. And then you want to select the 64-bit version download, but I already downloaded it, so no need for that. And if you're using like older MacBooks, like let's say MacBooks that run the really old ones, like the ones that run Snow Leopard, El Capitan, El Capitan, and the ones below that, you'd want to do 32-bit. But for anyone who has newer software updates like Mojave or Yosemite, no, High Sierra or OS X, you can use. But I have Mojave right now, so yeah. So now what you want to do here is you want to go to the application. You've already set it up probably using the DMG file. So you want to search here. I'm going to search VMware Fusion. So now I'm going to open the application up, and I already have a thing, so I'm going to, there's a new version. I'm not going to remind me later. I'm going to click on remind me later, and I'm going to make a new machine just to show you how to do this. So first it's going to say select the installation method, go to install disk or disk image, and then you want to use another disk or disk image, and then you want to select the ISO from before that we downloaded, or you have downloaded over here. So you're gonna click on open. I'm not gonna make the machine, and then click on continue. And then there's these things. If you want to add a password, I don't want to, it's optional. And then you want to put your Windows product key, okay? So that's it, and then finish, and then you can select your one, so you can do pro, and then continue without key, because I do have a key, but I'm not going to use one right now because you guys are gonna see. But yeah, more seamless. You can so that means you can it will usually detect important files and move it onto your Windows software. We're running on VMware, or you can do more isolated, which I use for mine. I think it's better. You can just drag and drop for that. And then you click on the finish button, and then there's gonna be some settings you have to run through. like what language and whatever, but it is not like it's not like VR VM. I forgot the name of it. It was something VirtualBox. Yeah, VirtualBox. Do not use this. It's so bad. It lags way too much. Don't use this unless you have like a monitor, an actual monitor to run this, because this is super laggy and this is just too clean to be true. So I can show you that. So I'm gonna resume this right here, and it just, see, you can see when the cursor changes, and there is some apps I can run right now. So yeah, there's a bit of an overlay problem but it's easy to get used to. It's not that much of a big problem. Well, yeah, it's not that big of a problem. So I'm going to run the code thing here, right here, and then double click that. And I'll just do one round and show you how, if this is laggy or not. You can leave now if you want. You can leave the video if you want. Just go make sure you subscribe. You check out my other videos. But if you want to tune in and see for this graphics test, you can if you want. It's not loading that bad, to be honest. Well, it's still taking time, but it's like that. So it would take time sometimes if you have some things running in the background. Let me check if I have preview running in the background. I don't need that though. So you see it gradually becomes less laggy. It gets laggy after some time, but since if you wanted to use this as your main, once I start racing, there's like zero lag. There's like zero lag. So that's weird. I guess I'll have to do it again. Okay. Process is hopefully I can show this to you. So I'm gonna do the A class. Oops. Yeah, there's some lag. I don't know. It doesn't really lag that. Probably just because I'm screen recording, but when I'm racing, it doesn't lag that much. Yeah, it says activate Windows, but the newest Windows now you don't need to pay for. So I'm gonna just do, I don't know why this is not working, but I'm gonna just do a quick race on career just to show you. D class needed. I thought I had it. Hold on. I don't have enough credits to have a D class car. It doesn't work. Oh. I don't have any other game to test out, do I? So yeah. Yeah, just there's a bit of functionality to this. As always, you just have to get used to pressing the control as your command and command as the Windows button here. But if you're a Windows keyboard user, or if you can connect the keyboard, Windows keyboard, then it is okay. And there's one problem here, just to fix it. If you want to fix it, we'll say Ethernet. You need an Ethernet to connect to your network. So what I want to do is you want to go and here, and then there's going to be VMware Fusion. So go into the preferences and then you want to go to network here, and then Wi-Fi. You can click the lock to make changes, and you can add so here. So this is what you have to do. I'm gonna close this VM. I'm gonna close it. Command W, I guess. Shut down. Shutting down the computer. So once that's done, we can do this thing, I guess. Okay, so now it's shut down. It'll start to freeze, so you just go into your other tab and wait for like 5 seconds and come back. And then you want to do this. Here there's a you can edit your virtual machine settings by going I'm pretty sure there was a setting somewhere. Huh? Weird, because there is this oh yeah, okay, so we want to do Command E here, and then there's gonna be network adapter, and then here system preferences, connected here. Make sure the Wi-Fi is the main here. So you want to do Wi-Fi here. You want to turn this on, and there's this thing here, and go to system preferences, connect to Windows thing, and this should work. Normally it will come with auto detect and Wi-Fi off or something like that, and it doesn't work. So yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I think it's really helpful for people who don't want a heavy load of stuff, and it helps because you can install this in a snap. It's not hard to remove, because some people, they try removing the partition from the Bootcamp partition, and then it breaks their computer. It literally breaks it, and Apple can't fix that, and it just, that means you have to buy a new computer, and the iCloud is corrupt. It literally gets corrupted. It's like, it doesn't work. So I think this is the best way to put Windows onto your Mac without fully making it Windows, and you can switch back by shutting down the machine. Make sure you don't force quit this application, or then this application can go wrong. So make sure you quit it and do not force quit it. Thank you for tuning in for today's fourth video. Yeah, fourth video. Okay, bye.